So today we're going to understand how to use states in Designer. Suppose you've made a card in Designer or added a card from the marketplace. You want the value to be red if the score is less than 50 and the value to be green if the score is more than 50. You can simply do this by adding states to this card. So let's go ahead and add states to this card. To add states, you need to open Designer, which can be opened by clicking on the edit icon. Here you can see different blocks available. You can go to the block where you want to add state. In our case, we'll be adding states to the score block. We'll go to the states accordion in styles. You can see the block name. You can give your own block name for a better understanding, and you can add states to it. We need two states, green, red. So let's add the green state first. You can go ahead and add the red state as well. Once you've added all the states, you'll be able to see the states available here. You can click on any state and set the styles. In the green state, let's make the color green. So you can see the text is now green. I'll go ahead and reset the state to a red state and I'll make the color red. You can see the text is now red. I'll go ahead and reset the state and save the control. Once the control is saved, the states will be available in the studio. So once the user chooses the value from picker, I want the value to be visible out here. So I'll just refresh the studio and make the states available. So let's drop the value picker and card and manage the states. I'll the value picker, the card that we added states to. I'll bind the value option of the card to the value picker. So now the value that I choose here will be visible in the card. That was step 1. For step 2, I want to add state when the value is greater than 50, state will be green, and if the value is less than 50, the state will be red. Let's go ahead and do that. In the rules section, we need to add a new rule. Here, select where the state is dependent upon. In our case, the state is dependent on the value picker. Value picker's value is less than 50, we want to set the state of the dashboard card score block to red, and remove the dashboard cards score block's green state. That is it. The reverse logic can be added automatically by clicking on the Add Reverse of True. Now we need to save the rule. Once the rule is saved, we can see the states. Let's go to the preview and see the changes in action. So now you see the value is greater than 50, it's green, value less than 50, it's red. So this is how to add states to a control made by the designer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. For more such videos, visit our YouTube page.